my shit back. Oh, I almost dropped it. I got my shit back, y'all. About to get y'all a cold start. Hold up. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Srt BUBZ, and I'm back in that SRT thing. You feel me? Hold up, y'all. My shit a little messy, but I got the Jeep back. I'm geeked right now, y'all. I'm so geeked right now. Y'all don't have no idea, for real. It's been exactly a month to this day. Like, literally at 5 a.m. a month ago, 30 days ago, I hit the deer. Like, shit is crazy. If you haven't seen that video, go watch that. I explain everything that happened with the Jeep and how I hit the deer, and shit was crazy. I'll put some pics and stuff right here that y'all can see the damage that the deer did to the Jeep. Shit is crazy because, like I said, it's been a month to the exact day. Like, that's crazy. I'm so thankful that I'm able to make this vid, that I'm still here, that me and my mans ain't get even more, like, we ain't get injured at all, and the Jeep could have been totaled. Like, if I was going double the speed, the Jeep probably would have been totaled. Like, there's a Chrysler 300 up behind me, recording. Record for YouTube, what's good, bro? But I got you. I got you. Look, already, motherfuckers pulling up, all be recorded. Yo, I'm telling you, the Jeep is crazy. And I ain't even do too much, y'all. Y'all know me. Well, I mean, you don't really know me, but I ain't gonna do nothing too crazy. My shit gonna look calm, and until y'all see what's coming, y'all. Y'all not even ready for real. Gotta give a huge shout out to my boy Mo, man. My boy Muhammad down at Space Raps. I'm gonna put their information down. Hit them up, tell them I sent you. It's like A11111 work. Like, shit came out immaculate, bro. For any customization, any body work, they did everything, and they got me back right in a month. A lot of people be waiting 4 months, 3 months, like, for their vehicles, and I got mine back in 30 days. Like, turnaround time crazy. But yeah, I'm about to give y'all a big reveal right now. The car's a little dirty, whatever. I'm about to go run through the car wash real quick. It's too cold for me to hand wash it right now, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm about to just ride through. So y'all gonna see what I did. I'm telling you, my man's Jeff just seen me on the highway, pulled up on me. You see it. Y'all know the Jeep is crazy. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV ride too, cause it's been a while since I've been in the Jeep, man. It's been so long, man, since I've been in the Jeep. And thank y'all for tuning in, for real. Shout out to y'all. Look at this Mazda cutting me off. Come on, man. And if y'all watching the vid, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, it's a hint that's going on right now in the vid. Comment down below if you think you know. Comment what you think the hint. I'm showing you right now what color I did. I did stripes and I painted my calipers. So, like I said, I'm giving y'all a hint right now on the color that I'm doing, that I chose. Comment down below if y'all think y'all got it. Damn, I missed this shit, bro. God damn. Look at everybody getting out the way. That's what happens, man. That's what happens. I'm gonna cut the cam on when I get up to the car wash. Like I said, I ain't hand washing it today, so I'm gonna just ride through, get it shined up a little bit, dry it off, and then give y'all the big reveal. So before I do that though, y'all gotta go down, get this video a thumbs up, man. Thank y'all I really appreciate y'all for staying with me. I know I ain't been posting a lot. I'm gonna get on it, y'all. I'm gonna get on it. So yeah, hit that like. If you're not subscribed yet, y'all don't wanna miss anything that I got coming soon, yo. So hit that subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on so you can notify when I post, and let's get it. Hey, and I'm gonna show y'all this too. I got some stickers. It's gonna be in black and white though, but I got some stickers made. Tell me what y'all think. So y'all see, I got it's like holographic. You ain't gonna see the rainbow, but it's holographic. You can see it shine, cause that's the little theme I'm going with right now. But yeah, I'm about to go outside, wipe it down so y'all can see what it looks like. There go a cop over there too. Oh, and just so y'all know, this detailer is crazy. Shout out my man's Bigger who put me on. And also, I'm giving y'all hints throughout this whole video. So if you ain't paying attention by now, and you don't know the color that I did, you're crazy. Alright, let's go. Ain't gonna lie, some of the new details on the front, the carbon fiber on the fog lights, the carbon fiber on the sensor plate, something serious. I'ma tell y'all again, if you ain't subscribed yet and you watching this video, you need to go down and subscribe. Y'all not gonna wanna miss what I'm posting. So I'm about to go park up and go reveal the Jeep. Let's go. Alright, y'all. Let's go. Yeah. Went with slime green, y'all, with the holographic green. It's like a mirror. See that? Holographic green reflects crazy. If you peep, I put it over the carbon fiber on the back. So the carbon fiber on the trunk is still there. The green is over. Green calipers to match. And I didn't do green stripes on the hood because that would have been too much, you feel me? This way it's still calm, just a little bright, little something, you feel me? Tinted out the headlights, went with dark smoke. And the new details on the sensor in the front, one of the sensor bars in the front, and the carbon fiber on the fog lights. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Alright, thank y'all for tuning in. I really appreciate y'all. Go down, follow me on my Instagram at Srt BUBZ. New content coming. Also go down, get this video a like, and also hit that subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you can notify every single time I post. Thank you guys once again. I got a lot of heat coming for y'all. I'm so excited. Y'all see the Jeep, man. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Peace.